Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 9:45 a.m. At 9:05 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Warren to near North to near Pearl City, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, Albany, South Wayne, Browntown, Judah, Woodford, and Jordan Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.